Well, hello again everyone, Rog here, and today I'm going to be cooking some really crispy, tasty, flavoursome chicken drumsticks, and I'm going to do them in a Tefal air fryer. So there we have 5 quite large chicken drumsticks. Let me take those away and we'll get the spices ready. So in this bowl, 2 heaped tablespoons full of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of curry powder, just a mild one, you don't want anything too hot, about a teaspoon of black pepper, ground black pepper, in that goes, 2 teaspoons of garlic salt, I really love this stuff, 2 teaspoons of paprika, not the smoked paprika, just ordinary paprika, but it's mainly to give a lot of colour, and a heaped teaspoonful of this it's a chicken mix. It's got all sorts of things in there. In fact, we'll put a little bit more in, I think. Then we can give this a good old mix together. Get all those spices going in there. Don't forget the little bits at the bottom. There they go. And of course, last of all, a very small amount of chilli powder, just to give it a little bit of a kick. There we go, that should do. Pop in our chicken drumsticks. Mix these around so we can get this coating all over the skin. Make sure it goes over each one. Here we go, that's starting to look good. Right, let's move this out of the way. On with the chopping board. Then we can bring out the star of the show, our Tefal Actifry original. Now I've removed this is the paddle that goes inside, like that, but it unclips, comes out quite easily, because we're not going to be using that today. Then we can place our chicken drumsticks in. Plenty of room for those. There we go, all nice and snug. Snug as a bug in a rug. Close the lid, then we're ready to go. I'm going to cook these for about 30 to 40 minutes and make sure they cook right the way through. So now it's time to switch it on. Okay, so we're about halfway through now. We've had about 20 minutes, so we'll have a check to see what's going on. Yeah, that's all looking pretty good. So what I like to do is take some butter and just spread that over. You can see how quickly it just sort of melts over the very, very hot chicken. And this will all add to the lovely juiciness. So really I think it'd be better to use this silicone brush, just to dub these juices around. Then back we go to cooking. Okay, so I'm just going to check the temperature now to make sure it's okay. We've got this little gadget, and on the back it does say that poultry should be 165, so if we go into, say, the thickest part that I can find, which is probably there, stick that in the middle and see what we'll zoom in up. Look at that, well over the top, 177, still rising all the way through, cooked really properly. Yeah, that's good. Well, I've got to try one of these. Really tasty, crispy skin. We always like a crispy skin, don't we? Well, that turned out well in the Actifry. That's one I shall be doing again. Thanks everybody for watching this latest video of mine. Excuse me talking and eating at the same time. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and give me a like, and yeah, I shall see you again on the next video. Thank you again, and bye for now.